In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect OpenAI ChatGPT-4 with Notion. If you use Notion to organize notes, projects, or documents, connecting it with ChatGPT can make your workflow much more efficient. Once the connection is set up, you'll be able to use ChatGPT alongside your Notion workspace based on the permissions you choose. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the setup process from start to finish. To begin, open Notion in your web browser and navigate to the Getting Started page. This is a convenient place to begin because it confirms that you're signed into your account and working inside the correct Notion workspace before making any changes. Taking a moment to verify your workspace now can help prevent confusion later, especially if you belong to multiple workspaces. Next, look at the navigation panel on the left side of the screen. Near the top, you'll see the name of your current workspace. Click on the workspace name to open the workspace menu. This menu provides access to workspace management tools, settings, and available integrations. If you have more than one workspace, make sure you've selected the one you want to connect with ChatGPT, since integrations and permissions are managed separately for each workspace. After opening the workspace menu, click on Settings. This will open the Settings panel where you can manage your workspace preferences and integration options. Before continuing, take a quick look at the workspace name displayed in the Settings window to confirm you're still working in the correct location. Inside the Settings panel, locate and select Notion MCP. This is where the connector used for integrating ChatGPT with your Notion workspace is managed. Opening this section allows you to review the available connection options and configure the integration according to your needs. Once you're in the Notion MCP section, click on the highlighted connector area to view its details. Take a few moments to review the information displayed on the screen so you understand what the connection will allow and which parts of your workspace can be accessed. Reading these details carefully helps you make informed decisions before authorizing the integration. When you're ready, click Connect to begin the authorization process. Follow the prompts that appear on your screen and confirm access when requested. Make sure you're signed into the correct accounts before approving the connection, and only grant the permissions that are necessary for your workflow. After the authorization process is complete, the connection between ChatGPT and your Notion workspace will be established. You can now begin using ChatGPT with your configured Notion workspace through the available connector features. That's all there is to it. You've successfully connected OpenAI ChatGPT-4 with Notion and are ready to streamline your productivity with AI-powered assistance. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.